Hello everyone, and I am Aryan Sharma. Me and my dad got together and made two houses. This is one and that is two. Two houses and one food box for birds. One house fell down, so we gave that house to my stuffed animal, Poochie. As you can see, we colored the house and put foam inside the house. As you can see, there is a hole at the top because we tried to hang it up with a rope, but it fell down. In the food box, there is salty crackers and the other house is made of a soccer ball. Bye guys, and have a good day.